This is my sourdough starter on day 4.
All right, there's my starter. And you can see that it has just been recently fed. It is on the rise and it is going great guns crazy. And so my starter is ready to spread out on this tray, which I'll show you here. Oops. I'm just going to take it right here and spread it right out real thin here. All right, just going to jiggle it here. I'm just going to spread this out with my spatula, which I didn't bring over here with me. And I'm going to then let that spread out. Put the lid back on. Put the lid back on so it's protected from any flies or anything like that. And I'm just going to
leave it here in the dehydrator with the dehydrator turned off to dry. You can see that most of it is all dried and flaky and ready to peel up here. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off. And then I'm just going to take it right and put it right back in the same container because it's got the dark glass. And oops, put you over here where you can see what you want to see. And store it this time in the refrigerator or in my freezer until I want to rejuvenate it. When I want to rejuvenate it, I'll do the 1-to-1 flour water, put a couple tablespoons of my starter in, and I'll be ready to go again. It's that easy. You get tired of it, put it away for a couple of weeks or months or a year. Thank you. Have a great day. See you in the next video.